Today we are shooting the how to strike an arc video. We hope this video better serves you. As we get started, we are exercising the pull cue method. Using the freehand right hand for me, you manipulate the rod, the surface, by scratching. Like striking a match. This technique One helps. Of the facts is, won't the rod prevent sticking? Or will I be electrocuted? No. If you have a glove on and you release it after you have control of the rod with your stinger hand,